let's talk about golden milk and the amazing benefits that it has to offer. Plus, I'm going to show you how to batch prepare so you can have it for days to come. Turmeric is really the star of the show here. So many amazing benefits for the body, including it being anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-parasitic, antifungal, and some have even reported anti-cancer. And many have said that golden milk helps them sleep like a baby, relaxing the body and even calming anxiety. I am adding black pepper because black pepper helps with the absorbability of the curcumin in turmeric. Now let's get to batching. So we are going to start with 25 grams of turmeric, 4 grams of cinnamon, 8 grams of ginger, 2.5 grams each of the following: black pepper, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, and coriander. I chose to add coconut powder because these spices are better absorbed when paired with the fat because they are fat soluble. Typically in any of the Indian dishes and in the curries, they already are paired with the fat. So I went ahead and added that. When you are using a coconut milk or a raw milk, you're going to have a healthy fat combined with that anyway. So it's totally optional. You also could add a dried sweetener such as sucanat or coconut sugar, or when you're making it, just simply add some honey. I have made this with coconut milk, almond milk, and raw milk. And I'll have to say that I think my personal favorite is the raw milk, but you really can't go wrong with any that you choose. And if you do add the coconut powder, you actually could just make it with water.
Mom, you asleep? You haven't even finished the turmeric latte. You already fell asleep. Give me that. Good.
So good.
Sweet dreams. Mwah.